Good morning, everyone, and warm welcome to all the participants joining the certificate course in Artificial Neural Network and Machine Learning. We are delighted to have you here as you take the first step into the one of the most transformative and high impact domain of the digital era. I am Dr. Merchant and I will cover this entire certificate course for you. So before starting this certificate course, we have the brief introduction about the entire course. Artificial intelligence is no longer a future concept. It is a driving force shaping healthcare, finance, transportation, education, cybersecurity, governance, and nearly every modern industry. AI system today analyze massive dataset, make precise prediction, automate decision making, and enable innovations that were unimaginable just a decade ago. Understanding AI and machine learning is now a core skill for students, researchers, and professionals who want to stay relevant and lead in a technology-driven world. This course is designed to help you build that strong foundation. This certificate program provides a comprehensive introduction to artificial neural network and machine learning, especially curated for beginners no matter your background. The course will guide you step by step from fundamental concept to practical model building. The curriculum blends theory and hands-on learning, ensuring that by the end of the program, you are confident in working with the data, implementing ML algorithm, and understanding how real-world AI system operate. These are the some course modules component. First is ML basics. Then second one we have is the mathematical foundations, Python for the machine learning model, algorithms. So you will begin with the foundations concept of the machine learning. This include understanding types of machine learning method, data set, features, labels, and how ML models make predictions. A strong mathematical base is essential for understanding neural network. You will learn the basics of linear algebra, vector, matrices, dot product, and the mathematical intuitions behind how ML model function. Python is the most widely used programming language in the AI ecosystem. These modules introduce Python essentials, data handling libraries, and coding practices used in ML model development. You will explore key machine learning algorithm from regression and classification to clustering and neural network. The goal is to help you understand how each algorithm works, when to use it, and how to evaluate its performance. The skill which you will gain during the course, by the end of this course, you will be able to develop industry relevant competencies including data handling, pre-processing, Python performing for ML, building, training, and evaluating ML model, understanding algorithms behavior, applying ML technique to solve real world problem. These skills form the core of modern AI application and open pathways to advanced study and career opportunities. The course is designed into an interactive, beginner-friendly, and hands-on. You will learn through the basic concept lectures, practice coding exercise, guided demonstrations, assignments, and mini project. The focus is to ensure you learn by doing and build confidence in applying ML concept independently. The mini project are essential part of this course. So first you need to select the data. An effective project begins with the right dataset. Selecting a meaningful dataset ensure that your model learns accurately and reflect the real world problem you aim to solve. The data should be relevant, clean, and representative of the challenge you wish to address. Once the dataset is ready, you will apply machine learning algorithm to build your model. You will train the model, validate its performance, fine-tune parameters, interpret result. This process help you transform raw data into insight and working solutions that demonstrate practical ML applications. And we look forward to an exciting learning journey with you. This course is an opportunity to explore the power of AI, develop essential skill, and create impactful solutions through the machine learning models. For more information or assistance, feel free to contact us anytime. The contact details are given here. We are here to support your learning at every step. Welcome once again, and let's begin this transformative journey into artificial neural network and machine learning. Thank you.